some of the money in the stock market will actually spill over onto the crypto market. And now I'm gonna show you the reasons why this may happen this year. In 2020, the crypto market will pump and the stock market, well, let me explain why these two markets will be potentially incredibly related. It all starts with the Federal Reserve preparing for taper this year. Now, the tapering is a very important action that the Fed takes. And in fact, if you look at history, this is what history did. Late in 2013, a widely held belief was that once the Fed began to pull back on its stimulus, the market would start to perform more in line with economic fundamentals. The tapering didn't affect the markets very harshly, but it was a different time. If you look at back 2013, the market was actually going up to all-time high. And in fact, this is 2013. So as we can see, in those days, we broke above just the all-time high. And then from 2013, we kept going up and up until a crash. That was the first difference. In 2013, we actually were very far, or we just broke above the all-time high. These days, we are way above. On top of that, there is the amount of money that the Federal Reserve has actually pumped into the economy. And as you can see from this chart, this is the Federal Reserve balance sheet. They basically doubled the amount of assets on their balance sheet. As you can see from February the 3rd, 2020, when we had the big corona crash, now we are double. And 2021 is very different from 2013 because now we have a thing back then we didn't have. The crypto market. And the crypto market is incredibly small compared to, for example, the stock market. The global crypto market is $2 trillion at the time of recording, versus the stock market that is about $95 trillion. We're talking about the global stock market, not only the US, but that's very important for this thesis and why I think some of the money in the stock market will actually spill over onto the crypto market. And now I'm gonna show you the reasons why this may happen this year. Now, if you've been subscribed, you know about Tether. It's something that I've been talking about, and that is the reason why the crypto market has been very strong in 2020 and in 2021, and why I think it's gonna really go even higher in 2021 and beyond. And so this is what makes me bullish, guys. So as you can see, this is the Tether market cap. Now, Tether is pegged to $1 allegedly. So the increasing market cap means that there are actually more dollars, more Tether going around. And so as you can see, they are printing more Tether. And the reason why I am confident this is just not a blip, the Tether Twitter website actually came out and said and celebrated that the market cap of Tether hit $64 billion. And yes, that's a new milestone that we're celebrating. So this graph, this chart that you're looking at here is not just a blip. Sometimes you can see that the amount of Tether goes down. I'm not sure why that happens. To be honest, if you are an expert of that, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm really keen to learn even more from you guys. But what's really good is that it's now going up. And there is a correlation, that's the point. There is a correlation between when Tether is printed versus when the when the crypto market is actually pumping. So by going up, by being in a bit of a bullish phase, Tether is signaling that the crypto market is ready to explode. And I know what you're thinking. Tether is just one stable coin and anything can happen. It can be taken away from us. It can be like killed. Well, it's not actually this simple. There are other stable coins that are coming up. For example, USD coin, which was created by COINBASE, and actually they are making money with the same strategy, which is to basically print this stable coin, and they basically collect all the fees that are made when you basically buy into this USD coin and then use it for trading. So as you can see, look at the chart. This is the market cap, but look at what is happening. It's basically going absolutely parabolic and it's going up so much, meaning that we are actually, even in this case, looking at a potential alternative to replace Tether in case Tether goes down like a lead balloon. And later I'm gonna actually break down even more about Tether and the potential issues that it might run into. Which calls for a question: is it a good time to buy cryptocurrencies? Yes, I'm talking about any cryptocurrency that is one of the big ones, obviously, because Tether is actually mostly involved with the big ones, and that's where the money is being pumped into. Yes, we're gonna have a look at it in just 1 second, and I'm not talking about a crypto chart. We are going to look at what is happening with Google Trends. Now, this is Google Trends YouTube search for the last 12 months. We have Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, SafeMoon, and Cardano. Now, as you can see, the number of people actually searching for these keywords actually peaked out between May the 16th and the 22nd, 2021, and it's now going down, and it's gone down quite a lot, and now we are down even lower than that, so it's much lower, which means that most of retail investors, because obviously those are the people learning more about cryptocurrencies on YouTube, well, they are now a bit asleep, I must say. They are actually learning about it, they're still watching, but most of them are not aware of it. And on top of that, you can see, if you want to go and check Bitcoin and other Ethereum, for example, there is still, we are not at all-time high, meaning there is still obviously upside in case the market goes as I just described, but there are even threats to this plan. Obviously, this is not gonna be all smooth sailing. There are threats to cryptocurrencies, to the stock market, and that is what I'm gonna address right now. First of all, the Fed hates cryptocurrencies and especially stable coins. Now, the reason why they're hating it, it's down here. The Fed chief Jerome Powell, you wouldn't need stable coins, you wouldn't need cryptocurrencies if you had a digital US currency. And the reason why this may be a problem and why they're gonna actually create maybe a US dollar coin is because a large portion of commercial banking activity flipping over to this largely unregulated world. So they are actually using cryptocurrency as opposed to, for example, the normal transaction, the normal dollars. And let's be honest, stable coins at the time of recording are a bit of a wild west. Some people think that Tether and other cryptocurrencies, USD coin is actually becoming one of those. There is no money behind those, and there is definitely not a one-to-one pegged with the dollar. So that's one of the claims and could become one of the reasons why these cryptocurrencies may become illegal. Yes, I said it. But there is also another thing that is a problem for cryptocurrencies. Well, that you cannot kill the cryptocurrencies, but you can kill the exchanges. So for example, Binance, yes, Binance has been batted about the whole year now, and as you can see, with most regulators including Italy, Thailand, Hong Kong, Germany, Japan, the US, and actually the UK, everyone is like beating up Binance. Thank you for watching and see you next time.